Hey Quiz Masters, welcome back to Quiz Elites. Get ready to dig in. Think you are a Minecraft expert? Take over quiz and see if you can survive the ultimate challenge. Before starting, please subscribe to our Quiz Elites channel for more exciting quizzes. What is the rarest naturally occurring ore in Minecraft? Emerald ore. Which biome has the tallest trees? Jungle. Which mob drops an ender pearl? Enderman. What do you need to craft a map? Paper and compass. Which of the following moves cannot be tamed? Spider. What's the maximum stack size of a jungle atom in Minecraft? $64. Which of the following atom is not used for brewing potions? Diamond. What atom do you need to craft a piston? Iron, redstone and wood. Which block can be used to teleport to the end dimension? And portal frame. What is the maximum number of blocks a cat can jump over? Three blocks. What mob can you not find in the overworld? Ghost. Which of these is not a Minecraft biome? Savanna desert. What can you use to prevent the weather boss from flying? Slime. How many types of wood are in a Minecraft? Six. What's the primary function of a blast furnace? To smelt ore faster. What type of block is a cactus? Non-solid. Which of these blocks can be moved by a piston? Furnace. What is the name of the blue ore that can be mined with an iron pickaxe? Lapis lazuli. What block does the ender dragon drop upon death? Dragon egg. Which can drop a carrot? Zombie. What item do you need to craft a brewing stand? Glass rod and cobblestone. Which material is used to craft shield? Wood and iron. How do you tame an ocelot? With fish. Which of these is found in the nether? Glass. What is the maximum number of hearts a player can have? "20 hearts." Which of the following is a crafting material for an enchantment table? Obsidian. What is the most powerful sword in Minecraft? Netherite sword. What's the name of the mob that explodes when you get close? Creeper. How many blocks high can a player jump naturally? Two blocks. What do you need to create a nether portal? Obsidian. Which of the following animal can be bred with seeds? Chicken. What material do you need to make a netherite in gold? Ancient debris and gold. What atom is needed to make a map? Paper and compass. What enchantment increase a sword damage? Sharpness. Which atom is used to summon the weather boss? Three weather skeleton skulls and soul sand. Which of the following is not a type of tree in Minecraft? Palm. Which block is used to create a beacon? Diamond. What item is used to craft a cloak in Minecraft? Gold and redstone. Which biome is home to the polar bear? Taiga. How do you make a potion of water breathing? Puffer fish. What is the maximum number of different colored wool blocks in Minecraft? "16. What type of food heals the most in the game? Golden apple. How many blocks can a lava bucket spread? 7 blocks. What block is used to create a portal to the nether? Obsidian. Which of these mobs can be found in the End dimension? Enderman. What is the name of the mob that spawns in the desert biome? Huskus. What is the best way to mine diamond ore? With an iron pickaxe. What food atom is used to breed pigs? Carrot. Which mob does not spawn in the overworld? Blaze. What's the maximum amount of players in the Minecraft world? $128. How did you do? Post your scores and challenge your friends to beat it. Make sure to like and hit the bell for more fun quizzes and Minecraft knowledge.